This is my first time, Eddie. I hope you're watching me now, because really I've never done this before. I mean, birds are just falling out of the sky. Have you heard that one? Birds are just falling out of the sky, Eddie. They're crashing, falling straight down from the sky. I seen a bird. It was just killing me because I couldn't break this bird from. It made my eyes bug out. I was freaking out. Next thing I knew, I was somebody else. It mesmerized me. And I hope you enjoy this video and not to go too far in my character. I just want you to know, welcome to my show. Thank you.